Morning, everybody. It's 8:41 on Friday, the 3rd of June, and this is your pre-opening comment. It is video number 1307. Okay, jobs numbers came out at 8:30, and they were pretty much right on the money. Um, Jobs increased by 390,000, although there were some serious issues with the number, and last month's number was revised down. Uh, so up 390, unemployment rate 3.6, workforce participation rate up 0.1% to 62.3, so that's a minor positive. The underemployed is double what the unemployment rate is at 7.1, and hourly wages were up 0.3%. Um, so yesterday we had lower productivity and higher labor cost numbers. Today we get confirmation of that. The Dow was down 180 at 8 o'clock before the news. Um, and that improved a little. So at 8:28 before the number came out, it was only down 165. And at 8:32, 2 minutes after the number came out, it had moved the market back up, cut the loss in half to $85 on the Dow. And now the Dow is down at a new low of the day, down 222.28. So the numbers may have looked somewhat good, but the market doesn't like them. One of the reasons the market doesn't like them is because the numbers came in hot enough that the 10-year, which is up almost 30 basis points this week, is trading 295 and a half. At the release time, it was 294.8, so continues to move higher. Lululemon reported last night. Stock currently is 314, down 304 or 1.42%. And Tesla, Elon Musk comes out and says he has a bad feeling about the economy. So that comes on the heels of the Jamie Dimon hurricane is coming comment from yesterday. And Tesla is 739, down 36, and Elon says um, they're going to cut their workforce by 10%. Kohl's has two bids. They're obviously nowhere near the $65 that they were looking at the last time because the stock is 44, up 282 or 6.4%. And TPTX, this company is specializes. Turning Point specializes in non-small cell lung cancer, being bought by Bristol Myers, and the stock is trading at 73.70, up 39.64. So it's up 116%. So that's a pretty impressive move. Okay, so chart on the screen is the dollar, and it has really tried to rally this week, and yet has really made very little headway. The 5 day here is trying to turn up. It's somewhat stabilized after, continuing to fall from the day after the high right through the beginning of this week. On a weekly basis, you can see that we are slightly up on the week, but we did make a lower high and a lower low. So, interest rates tend to buoy the greenback, and so that's what I think we're seeing there. Oil, which was down yesterday and finished up, and then was down a couple of dollars again this morning, and is now up on the day. It's not up much, but it's 117.40, and I think if you recall from last night's video, my concern is a close above on a weekly basis. Let's see what that number is. Here we go. 116.57. We're currently 117.39. And it looks like we will have a new recovery closing high on a weekly basis if we hold here or even lose a dollar. Gold was trading a little bit higher this morning, currently down $8.50. That's also an interest rate and dollar issue. Copper is down a little. Platinum basically unchanged. Palladium down 31. As far as the softs go, we have cotton down $2.10, but this has been a monster of a move for the cotton. Cotton was traditionally about a 90 to a dollar a pound commodity, broke out, came back in, tested the breakout, nice steady move, came back and tested, big move higher, parabolic up to a dollar, 155.95. This week, it's had a huge move down. And so we'll have to see how that works out. Bonds were basically, let's see, bonds are down 3/4 of a dollar. Bitcoin and Ethereum both down. And a final look at the futures. Oh, now the 10-year has bounced up to 297 and a half. Dow's implied open down 200. S&P down over 30. NASDAQ back to the low, down 174. So there you have it. It's really too bad because yesterday's rally was particularly good looking, with the one exception of the volume. I mean, advanced declines were 3-1 to the upside, which is not excessive, but is a pretty good number. S&P is now down 40, Dow down 224, and be careful out there. You can do whatever you want. Just keep your position sizes appropriate for your risk profile. And we also have ISM coming out, but that doesn't come out until 10 a.m. Have a good long weekend, everyone.